Did you notice any change? Royal Enfield Super Meteor Solo Finisher fitted on my Interceptor 650. Welcome back to my channel. Let's quickly open the box. Inside, you get the Solo Finisher itself, along with the mounting bolts, spacers, and rubber washers. The finish looks clean and premium, and the build quality is exactly what you'd expect from a genuine Royal Enfield accessory. Now, this kit is actually designed as a direct fit for the Super Meteor. Since I'm using a seat cowl on the Interceptor 650, this is not a direct fit. Let's open the seat cowl. To mount this Solo Finisher properly, I had to drill holes on the seat cowl so the finisher could sit flush and align correctly. Also, while the kit comes with bolts and spacers, I needed to use additional nuts from the inside of the cowl to properly secure everything and make sure it's tight and safe. This step is important. Without proper fastening from inside, the finisher won't feel solid. Let's align and fix back the seat cowl. Once installed, the Solo Finisher completely changes the rear profile of the bike. On an Interceptor or GT 650 with a seat cowl, it gives a very clean, café-style look, almost like a factory custom. Another bonus is practicality. You can actually mount a small lightweight bag on top of this finisher, which makes it useful for short rides or daily runs, without ruining the bike's aesthetics. If you like clean styling upgrades with a bit of DIY, this is a solid option. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Gadget Wheelz, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.